Hello children, in this video we will read sentences with I am. I am going on a vacation next week. I am going on a vacation next week. I am going to start eating. I am going to start eating. I am thinking of writing a book. I am thinking of writing a book. I am truly my mother's son. I am truly my mother's son. I am familiar with your name. I am familiar with your name. I am now busy writing a book. I am now busy writing a book. I am still angry because of her. I am still angry because of her. I am sleepy, therefore I am going to bed. I am sleepy, therefore I am going to bed. I am neither rich nor famous. I am neither rich nor famous. I am blessed to have mom and dad. I am blessed to have mom and dad. I am learning to play the guitar. I am learning to play the guitar. Tell me your story. I am all ears. Tell me your story. I am all ears. I am glad that you have succeeded. I am glad that you have succeeded. I am afraid that I might be late. I am afraid that I might be late. I am as tall as my father. I am as tall as my father.